I always start out my trainings with some form of gratitude. So why I start our trainings like this is for us to intentionally look for positive, good things that happen to us on a day-to-day basis. So this is a workshop, a very different type of workshop. It's where we get to reflect is, what is a world-class Filipino? And how can I become a world-class Filipino? How can I become a better version of me? So this is a personal development workshop. But belief in yourself is the beginning of all success. We choose if we're going to be successful or not. Not our parents, not our government, not anyone else. God gives everyone an opportunity to be successful. There's enough evidence of that. There are so many successful world-class Filipinos. So many examples. I believe that the secret to your success is found in what you do every day. The small things matter. The small things matter. I believe success all comes down to what you do every day. I believe the secret to success is 1% every day. And you already do this. Everyone can improve by 1% better every day. That's our key message. So believe in the Filipino dream. Opportunities are here if you open your eyes and see the opportunities. And the greatest opportunity is to improve yourself. The greatest way to teach success is to model success, is to be, like Gandhi said, be the change. So let me ask you a final question. Niniwala ba kayo? Niniwala ba kayo sa Filipino dream? Yes. Niniwala ba kayo? Yes. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Daghang salamat, daghang salamat.
To give you a glimpse of the beauty of our culture, particularly the Cebuano culture. Because of course, in Golden Prince, we always say, have a golden day. So we're actually providing a rich cultural experience so that you would appreciate more your own culture, particularly the Cebuano culture. And language is just one part of it. For we as Filipinos, we are considered multilinguals. So when we say multilinguals, we don't only speak one language. We speak different varieties of the Filipino language. What is your language? Cebuano. But even if we say Cebuano language, the Cebuano language in itself also has a number of varieties. So which means to say that the kind of Cebuano you're speaking when you're in the city is a little different from the kind of Cebuano spoken in the north or in the south or in the other places in Cebu. What does it take to be a Filipino? This morning session with Mike Grogan actually highlights famous, successful Filipinos who are known worldwide because of specific traits and characteristics. That's why I started with this question so I can link what happened this morning. Now we are going local, very local, very specific because we're talking about Cebuano language. Kinahanglan, maantigo ka, makamao ka, musulti, o binisaya. Which means to say, if you're a Cebuano, you know how to speak the Cebuano language. Okay, so what we will do here is that sumpayan ta. So this time, so, Cebuano ako, atong sumpayan. Cebuano ako kay, anong Cebuano man ka? So, sumpayan ta. Cebuano ako kay?
Kabaw kong Bisaya.
Uy, okay.
Cebuano ko kay Mapinanggaon. Buutan, mapinanggaon, sus, no? Kamo ng cute.
I hope that what you have learned this afternoon might be applied in order to promote awareness of all Cebuanos to be proud of their own language. Because as they say, if your language is not anymore spoken by anyone in the speech community, your language dies. And we don't want that to happen, right? So once again, have a golden afternoon. When you do public speaking, you start with something that you like. Something that you feel, so that it sets the tone. What the speaker feels is more important than what the speaker shares. So the real essence then in public speaking is in the honest expression of what the speaker feels and how he or she shares this emotion through words and gestures that engages the audience to listen, to be moved, to be open, and to be more than a listener, but a believer of a story that he or she can relate or can even experience. Public speaking, because public speaking will eventually make you a better person and will also tell you about your being a social being. Okay? No man is an island. Every day we communicate. Every opportunity is actually a chance in becoming a better person.